From the outside is tagged by Eric Dawson. So 3 shots parating para kay Mark Baroka.
And the big thing para kay Eric Dawson, ang pangatlong foul na ni Eric Dawson yan. So both Chris Ross and Eric Dawson with 3 fouls. Coach Ryan Gregorio talking to the referee. Trying to explain na itong si Mark Baroka yung nag-extend ng kanyang paa.
Baroka battles on the first free throw as Coach RG continues to argue his case. 6-2 and 3 na para dito kay Baroka. Make that 7 points.
At impact yung mga puntos nitong si Mark Baroka. Yung fast break na yan, the 2-on-4 fast break off a save. Scrambling on offense, still getting that 2 points.
Ano naman yung luxury ni Coach Tim ko? Rotation niya. Ayun pa lang ipinapasok itong si Yancy De Ocampo to try and bother. Itong si Eric Dawson. As J.R. Reyes muna, pinantayan niya dito. Cardona on the move. Back over to Borboran. Dawson at the post. Dalawa kalaban. Spinning away from Devons. He's in trouble. Gets it to Reyes.